Hello everyone, welcome to our this video. This video is based on how to make dynamic mobile applications. Guys, dynamic mobile application is that where you have a connectivity with with your database, and database could be your spreadsheet, your Firebase or any other. But here we are going to choose our spreadsheet database, which is very easier for the beginners also and very user friendly. Now here for developers, for beginners basically, so we want to explain that there are two types of mobile applications. One is static, one is dynamic. Static is fixed, where you cannot change your another information if you want to add when the application is running. But in dynamic, you can change the program anytime, whenever you want, through your database. It's very easy, and always try to make dynamic application because it's having a long life, and it's really good always to go for dynamic for long-term applications. Here let's start with the Thunkable platform, how to prepare dynamic mobile application. Guys, let's start with our few buttons and few components. On our left hand side we have a few components. Let's pick it up from user interface. We are going to pick it up one list view, which is a very nice component, and we will pick it up from experimental. We will pick it up another, which is invisible component. This is spreadsheet. Spreadsheet is asking for API endpoint on the right hand side palette, and here this is a sheet name. So we are going to discuss about these things first. This thing is to connect your database, which is spreadsheet, to your mobile application. How? This is through API endpoint link. How to create this API link? Now let's go to the left palette, and here on the spreadsheet there is a question mark. Just press and right click on Cloud Stage. Cloud Stage, once you go to Cloud Stage, you will find over here new project. Guys, I have already made so many projects over here on Cloud Stage, but let's create new project. Like these are my databases. I have kept it over here, but let's prepare new one so you can also understand how to prepare this new project. New project, let's click it and just select I want to build widget. Let's click this one. Using a template, let's select spreadsheet API, and let's keep a name here, database 2. Great. When we create this platform, we are going to have our own database, which we are going to connect with our mobile applications, which will prepare our mobile live application as a dynamic application. Now here we have a open editor. CloudStage is giving us open editor. It is very easy and very comfortable to use. Guys, please use it. This is really very good for beginners to see how to do. Keep on trying, keep on fighting with this thing, and you will learn, and you will start accessing all the information very easily. There are a lot of potential in this. Here we have edit in Google, sync with your template. Here we will go in editing, and then we will come back and sync our template. Here we have to sync every time because we do not have this automatic option, which is paid option. So we have this free option, sync every time. So it don't bother about that thing. So now let's go here. We have same like Excel sheet. We have here this database. So we are going to remove first rows. Guys, for new beginners, these are A, B, C, all are columns. And here 1, 2, 3, this way it calls rows. So columns and rows we have to play here only. So in columns, let's keep the name like city. Let's keep population. Okay, let's take these two examples, city and population. City, which name, city of the, let's keep the name of the city, Chandigarh. Let's keep another one, Delhi. Let's keep another one, Mumbai. Okay, you can increase it as you want. Let's keep it here 100. People are staying where we are 1.35 billion people in India, so that doesn't matter. So here, this is just an example. 100 people here, and in Delhi 200, Mumbai 300. Okay, let's just design it, guys. We can design it also. Like, this is our heading, so we are going to take all these grids, and we are going to make it bold, and we can change the color also over here, so which will look beautiful and attractive. Let's keep it center. Always try to do work with your interest. How do you like it? Make more things creative and very informative and more attractive, so people should get interest. Now we have updated our database over here. Data is filled. Okay, now here, this is a sheet 1, which we are not going to change, which we were discussing over there in our platform. Now this one is populated. Let's go here. Let's sync it. Once we sync it, we'll go to our mobile application. Guys, let's go. Oh, okay, now before that, we have to copy our link, because this is our data is ready. Now here, guys, very carefully, go to the web template and just copy HTTPS up to your name of your data, which you get it, database 2. We prepared it, and just copy, Control P. Okay, now once you copy this one, and this link is most important link. Normally it previews over here, but this time I don't know why it's not previewing you below. So we are going to web template, and from web template we are going to copy https api.cloudstage.com, and then it's a name and the link. Now this link we have copied. Let's go back, and when we go back, we'll see our platform, Thunkable platform. Once we go to the Thunkable platform, let's go to our application. In our application, spreadsheet, we are going to copy API endpoint. Copy, we have copied. Let's paste it here. Guys, the same link has been pasted over here. Now here we need to add question mark. Dave is equal to true. We have to add every time these 3 words. Dave is equal to true. Question mark. Dave is equal to true. It's important, guys. This step you have to learn. You have to memorize. However it is. This is a link from your database with your mobile application. You have to connect it. So it's very important. You have to learn and memorize it. This is a sheet name sheet 1, which we didn't change. So we leave it as it is. Now your application is well connected with your database. Now database has been created and has been linked also. Now let's go to our, now here we want to display this whatever the data was available over there, so we want to display it over here. Now let's go to blocks. Here in blocks, what we're gonna do, first of all, whenever screen initialize, when screen 1 initialize, guys, for new beginners, let me just explain again. This is in our Thunkable platform. We have 2 type of front ends and back end. Front end is designer, like this. This is a front end where we were working. This is block. This is a back end. So here, this back end is basically going to connect our all programming or database, how we are going to connect, how it's going to behave, performance, everything. How on each screen we are going to get what information. So it's important. So this is a screen we can add and we can remove from here. It's all important. Now this is a block. This is in the block part. What we are going to do here, we want to retrieve our information from our database to our screen. So screen 1, what is going to happen? There's a lot of blocks over here. Screen 1, when initialize, what's going to happen? We got a spreadsheet. We want to call get all data. We are calling our data over here. When screen 1 initialize, then get all data. Once, let's get again when spreadsheet, after get all data, once the data is ready, first we were calling data. once it's connected, after calling data, what's going to happen? Now we want to preview it in our list view dot elements. Okay, we are going to call list view. With list view is here, we have taken this element. This is name is list view. Now in the list view, we have elements from string. So we want to preview in our list view the data from our database. How is it possible? Now this we are going to pick it over here when the database is connected. And what are we going to do? We're going to display in set list view one dot elements to, let's call from data, let's call one column name is this, and we're going to call it like, we're going to call it, what was the name? Text. Guys, we have to type text. It'll come here, this block. In this block, we are going to type the name which we have kept it in our database, like here city, here population, pop. So in the city, let's pick it up cities. Okay, city. Just make sure the letter, whatever you typed over there, you have to type same. Wherever it was capital, keep the letter capital. Where it was small, keep the letter small. Now here we are keeping city, city. Now this one is well connected. Now here, guys, we can test our application. This is a test, and live, Thunkable live. We are going to test it over here, and from here we are going to preview from our. Let's connect our mobile phone. I'm going to prepare one more. What do you call performance before I read. Guys, my session was disconnected, so that's why I'm just repeating it again. So here we have connected our database, and the database has been connected with our list view element, which is just calling or retrieving the value from the database, that is city. Now here, how we are going to test. So we have just left it over here. So let's try from our phone, that how we are going to create this one, which is important to find out. Guys, this is now connected screen. Now you can see it from here very easily, that how this screen is attached, and this you can see it from here. Screen 1 is calling 3 values which are available in our database, which we have feed it or inserted in our database. So this one is all the city names, we put it over here. Now whenever we want to change our names, so we can do it very easily. We don't need to go in our application, because once application is loaded on the Play Store, you cannot go again and again, because it takes long time and long hassles. So only your application is available in your database, on your Play Store platform. Your application is available, and whenever you want to change the database inside, you can go to your screen over here and the cloud stage, and you can change the values here, or you can put it over here Pune, and the Pune is having 400 population. Let's try it over here how it will work. Let's go to designer view, let's go to experimental, let's go to cloud stage, which we have left it over there, and this we just need to refresh basically. And database 2, we are going to our project here, open editor, and because we have missed our link, so that's why I just needed to reopen it again. Guys, we have to sync it. Basically the small thing was that the moment you change it over here, Pune 400, just go back to your project and just sync it. Once your template is synced, and just come back again to your mobile phone application, and you will see the changes over here. Just let's change the color of text. Let's make it orange. Okay, let's see. Now we'll see. Once we change the Pune is coming over here, and its Pune is here automatically. We didn't go in our application, but it's changed through our database. All these things are like that. So it's very easy, and just keep on trying, and keep on supporting us. And guys, if someone wants any information or any support, do not hesitate. Just share with us, ask us what you want, how you want. Maybe we can help it out. If you are getting some problem anywhere, we can share with each other. We all are one family. We are developers, YouTubers. We all are one family. We have to help each other. We should be together. So it is. This is just an application, but the message is just let's share each information with each other. Maybe I can learn from you. You can learn from us. So we can share all information together. Thank you very much for watching us, and do not forget to subscribe or like our page if you like it. And stay in touch, and stay in good health. Thank you very much.